Hi everybody, in today's class we are going to discuss sexual reproduction in plants. Okay, sexual reproduction in plants. So plants, okay, they have the reproductive organ. They have the reproductive organ, that is what? Flower. Flower is the reproductive organ in plants. Okay, so what is reproductive organ? It is, okay, reproductive organ is flower. Okay, reproductive organ is flower. So here is the flower. Okay, now we will label them. Now we are going to label each parts. Now, okay, this is known as petal. Okay, all these are petals. All these are known as petals, and this is sepals. Okay, these two are sepals, and this flower will have anther, and this is filament. Okay, filament, and this is the stigma, and this is style. Okay, and this is ovule. Okay, ovule, and this part is known as ovary. This part is known as ovary. Okay, ovary, and this part is known as thalamus. Okay, thalamus. So thalamus, okay, thalamus is the organ on which all other floral parts they sit. Okay, thalamus is the organ where all other floral parts they sit on. So in this flower we come across male part and female part. Male part and female part. So what are those male part? See, anther along with this filament. Along with this filament, it is known as stamen. So what is stamen? Anther plus filament. Okay, they are known as stamen. They are known as stamen, and it is male part of the flower. It is male part of the flower. And what is female part? Okay, what is female part? Now this is stigma and this is style, ovary. Now stigma, style and ovary. In ovary what is present? Ovule. So that is known as pistil. Okay, so what are present? Stigma, style and ovary. Stigma, style and ovary, they are female part of the plant. Female part of the plant, and it is known as pistil. It is known as pistil. Okay, so we saw that flower is having male part and even female part. Male part and female part. Okay, so stigma, style and ovary, they are what? Female part of the plant, of the flower, female part. Okay, so male part and female part, male part and female part. So, okay, we will take the diagrams separately to understand better. Okay, so this is the male part of the flower. This is the male part of the flower known as stamen. It is known as stamen. Okay, stamen will have what? Anther. Stamen will have anther. Okay, and the filament. Anther plus filament. Okay, it is known as stamen. It is known as stamen. So this stamen is male reproductive part. Male reproductive part of the flower. Male reproductive part. Now which is female reproductive part? This stigma along with style and even ovary. That is female reproductive part. Okay, so this is male reproductive part. Now stigma, style, stigma, style and the ovary. And the ovary is the female reproductive part. It is known as pistil. It is known as pistil. Okay, so pistil is the female reproductive part. It consists of stigma, style and ovary. Stigma, style and ovary. Inside the ovary we find ovule. Inside the ovary we find what? Ovule. Okay, so ovule. Okay, so this is female reproductive part. So in sexual reproduction, what happens? In sexual reproduction, okay, both gametes they will fuse. Okay, both the gametes they will fuse. So in sexual reproduction, fusion of both gametes takes place. Fusion of both gametes takes place. Okay, fusion of gametes. Okay, what are those gametes? Male gamete and female gamete. Male gamete and female gamete. So here, this is anther, right? In the anther we find pollen grains. In the anther we find pollen grains. Okay, in anther, okay, we find pollen grains. Okay, pollen grains. Pollen grains, they produce what? Male gamete. Pollen grains, they produce male gamete. They produce male gamete. And ovule, they produce female gamete. Ovule, they produce female gamete. In anther, what is the pollen grain? Okay, in the female reproductive part, okay, inside the ovary we have ovule. These ovules are going to produce what? They are going to produce female reproductive cell. Female reproductive cell or female gamete. Okay, gamete means what? Gamete means reproductive cells. Gametes means reproductive cells. So this ovule is going to produce the female gamete. Female gamete. Okay, ovule, they produce what? Female gamete. Female gamete. Now this male gamete and female gamete, okay, when they fuse together, they produce what? Zygote. They produce zygote. Okay, so male gamete and female gamete, okay, when they fuse together, they produce what? Zygote. They produce zygote. Okay, they produce zygote. Okay, so I told you that fusion of male gamete and female gamete is going to produce what? Zygote. Okay, so female gamete and male gamete. Female gamete and male gamete, they fuse together to form zygote. They fuse and form what? Zygote. But how this zygote is formed? How this zygote is formed? Zygote is formed by a special mechanism known as, okay, this process is known as fertilization. Okay, this process is known as fertilization. Fusion of male gamete and female gamete is known as fertilization. Okay, and after fertilization we get zygote. Okay, after fertilization zygote is formed. So how all this process takes place? Okay, mostly fertilization. How fertilization takes place? Fertilization takes place by a special mechanism known as pollination. Okay, what is pollination? Pollination is transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma. Okay, anther to the stigma. Transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma is known as pollination, right? So it is transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma is known as pollination. Okay, is known as pollination. But how this pollination takes place? Pollination takes place by the help of insects. By the help of insects like honeybee, butterfly. Okay, when they are collecting nectar. Okay, insects, butterflies and honeybees. Okay, they collect nectars by visiting all the flowers. Okay, visiting flowers to flowers, they collect nectar. Okay, meanwhile what they do? They transfer the pollen. Okay, without their notice, the pollen gets stuck into the body parts, and they drop the pollen grains into the stigma. Okay, so insects and even butterflies, okay, insects, butterflies and honeybees. Okay, honeybees, what they do? They visit flower to flowers and they transfer the pollen grains. Without their notice, these pollen grains get stuck into their bodies. Okay, so this is how pollination takes place. And we know that by air, okay, by water, okay, by air and water also this pollination takes place through air and water. Through air and water, this pollination takes place. Okay, pollination simply means what? The transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma. Okay, whether it is through air or water or by the help of insects. Okay, the transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma is known as pollination. Okay, so here it is pollination. Okay, pollination. I have drawn this flower A and flower B here. Flower A and flower B. So what is pollination? Pollination is of two types. Okay, they are self-pollination and cross-pollination. Self-pollination and cross-pollination. Okay, what is self-pollination? Self-pollination is the transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of the same flower. It is self-pollination. Okay, what is cross-pollination? The transfer of pollen grain from one flower to another flower. One flower of the anther to stigma of other flower. That is known as cross-pollination. So here, okay, self-pollination means transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of the same flower. It is self-pollination. And cross-pollination means transfer of pollen grain from the anther of one flower to stigma of another flower is known as cross pollination. Cross pollination. Okay. So this pollination is done by, here you can see insects. Insects. Okay. Insects, they play a vital role in transferring the pollen grains. Okay. So pollination can be done by biotic factor as well as abiotic factor. Abiotic factors are air, wind, water. Okay. And biotic factors by insects, butterflies and honeybees. Okay. Insects, butterflies and honeybees. Okay. And mostly, okay, flowers, they undergo cross pollination. They undergo cross pollination. Many flowers we see only cross pollination. Okay. Rarely self pollination. Okay. Rare case self pollination. Mostly cross pollination. Okay. So we saw here self pollination and cross pollination. Okay. One more interesting point is that, okay, some of the flowers, they contain either one part, either male part or female part. Okay. When they are having only male part, okay, or female part, we call them as unisexual flower. We call them as unisexual flower. Okay. When they contain both the parts, male part and female part, we call them as bisexual flower. Okay. Okay. The unisexual flower are example here: corn, papaya and cucumber. They contain either only one part, male part or female part. Okay. But bisexual, okay, here you can see both male part and female part. Examples are mustard and rose and petunia. Mustard, rose and petunia. So these are bisexual flowers. Okay. In next video we are going to see more details about fertilization, pollination and even these parts. Okay, in NEET Foundation textbook. Thank you so much.